Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Culture. Today it's another good day. We just received a gift
from High Performance Sport Gear. His Facebook is IG Performance and his WhatsApp number is 0724124619. He sent us this beautiful gift that has Crafty Cultured merch. So you can find, if you're in East Africa, it's worldwide, but he's based in East Africa, in Kenya. His IG and Facebook is High Performance Sports Gear, and his WhatsApp number is 0724124619 for all the sports gear. And thank you for the gift.
Thank you for the gift. Ezekiel is the CEO of High Performance Sports Gear, and we are very honored to receive these gifts, and this is a very, very big support to Crafty Culture.
Absolutely.
And today we are going to make a powdered detergent.
Stay tuned.
Guys, these are the items we need to make our powdered detergent. We need 3 pieces of bar soap. We need washing soda. We need borax, and we have a container where we'll put our powder detergent, and lastly we have a cheese grater that we will grate our bar soap to mix it with the borax and the washing soda. So
alright, stay tuned. Alright, so he's gonna go ahead and start grating the bar soaps, all 3 of them. And we love the t-shirts for Crafty Cultured. Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Mr. Ezekiel.
Yeah, and definitely go look him up and check what he does.
High Performance Sports Gear. Call him, WhatsApp him, send a DM
him.
and you will get a good quality sports gear.
And guys, the bar soaps that we're using, they're made from Crafty Cultured.
We made this bar soap in the previous videos.
Yeah,
so
if you haven't seen it, go back and watch. You can binge
check on
watch.
the link above here and you will see how to make your own homemade long bar soap and toilet soap.
Absolutely, and you can binge watching our videos, and just if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you comment with #CraftyCulture, we're going to give you a shout out in the next video. Alright, we have our 3 cups ready. We're going to go ahead and put it in here in the container.
So we need 3 cups of
the grated bar soap. Perfect.
Then we are going to do 3 cups of washing soda. So those are 3 cups of washing soda. Now we are going to put 3 cups of borax. Now we have a mix of our soap. Now this is how our powdered detergent looks like, and it is perfectly blended, and that's the simplest way to make it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscription button below here, and if you have any comment regarding to this video and others, do it on the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.